Hi, I'm Michael Soon Lee, national real estate speaker, broker, and author of the book Real Estate Lead Generation. I've been in real estate for over 40 years, and I've learned that the key to real estate success is to have so many clients that you have to turn away the bad ones. In my class, 20 Lead Generators Under $20, I'll show you how to get clients without door knocking or cold calling. In fact, I'll reveal the secret of how you can get tons of buyers and sellers while hiking or biking, playing tennis or golf, or just basically having fun. Why spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month on disloyal internet leads when you can get face-to-face with the clients who are most likely to buy or sell with you for almost nothing? Learn to develop multiple streams of clients so you never have to worry about a slow market again. I've taught this class to rave reviews to over 700 people at the National Association of Realtors Convention, so don't miss out. Come to my class, 20 Lead Generators Under $20 that really work. Your future depends on it.